Good morning, Junk family. Chris here. Right now I'm in the city of Buena Park. I am doing a very special project today. No trash picking, but today I am doing a pressure washing for a property management. This is the trash can that I usually come out here and service. But today the property management asked me if I could pressure wash two-story apartments, basically just a walk path. There's a lot of dust, a lot of dirt that compile over the years. So our job is going to remove all of that with our pressure washing machine. So let me show you up there. So these are some of the dirt that we are going to pressure out. All of that, the whole entire walkway, third floor and second floor down there. Hopefully this is going to be a 1 hour to 2 hours job. We're also doing the stairs as well. See the line right there? We're gonna pressure all of that out. One of my most important tasks is to go to every door and ask people to bring their personal items in, such as sandal, carpet, or anything like that. Just like this one, I'm gonna ask them to move it inside before it get all wet. Alright guys, I'm gonna start on the third floor. It's the dirtiest. Look at this. Third floor, making my way down to the second floor. Alright, let's get this thing done. Alright, junk family, the job is done here at the apartment complex. Check it out. Pressure washing second floor and third floor, down all the stairs. It's done. Let's look at the result. Look fresh and clean. Let's go on to the third floor. All right, here are the stairs going down to the first floor. We clean everything down there. Second floor here, going to the third floor. All the stairs cleaned. The highest floor, third floor. They look really nice.